Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your life. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique because in this video I am sharing a wide variety of floral patterns of how you can design your tablecloths with the help of hand embroidery. Floral patterns of hand embroidery specifically designed for tablecloth, specifically designed for your side tables, for your cutlery like glass cloth, like your jug cloth, and any type of different coffee teacup and different perspective for coverage. All of these are beautiful clothes pattern of hand embroidery for tablecloth and many more home decor ideas as well. The simple and basic embroidery stitches are being used. The beautiful color combination make them more attractive and enhance their beauty and elegance. So it is a latest trend, and from number of years this trend have been used, especially in the wall. Like Turkish trend is very common for making cloth embroidery for tablecloths, and Indian, Chinese, traditional, Pakistani, and more over Malaysian, Mexican, Ukrainian, different type and regions of the country of world use tablecloth embroidery patterns. They look exquisite and enhance the beauty of your tables, of your table sets, of your home decor, and at the same time your furniture remains safe and secure. So do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. And guys, with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. So stay blessed, be happy, be positive, and may Allah help you to achieve your goals.